Okay, Pocket, I see you.
She's giving you 60s housewife, really. That's what she's giving you right now. And I'm loving it, you know? I'm giving you rich, fabulous, classy, bourgeois. I'm just giving you life right now. I'm giving myself life, to be honest. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Beauty by Brittany U, your fave girl. She is back with a tutorial for the first video of the year 2020. It's February. January was canceled. We are restarting things and we're doing things fresh. I'm so sorry for my absence. There really isn't a reason for my absence. I don't know, I just feel like I was like overworking myself a little bit. I just decided to take a little break and come back refreshed, rejuvenated, and I'm excited to drop some videos for y'all. I have you know, a couple videos that I've already filmed that I just need to edit. This is my Valentine's Day look. I am showing you guys how I did a little bit of my makeup, mostly like my eyes and my lips, and I showed you guys how I do my hair. It's super easy. Just make sure your hair, you know, you start off with, you know, straightened hair, and you can just need a flat iron and some holding spray and the heat protectant, and you'll be good to go because we're putting some heat on this hair. So yeah, just protect your hair. Yeah, I wouldn't wear this, of course. It's just a sweatshirt, you know, like, okay, I'm not that basic, but I just wanted to be comfortable. But I wanted to show you how I would do the face and the hair. Like, ooh, this is it. I just wanted to give y'all something fresh, something cute, something, you know, it's a trend that's going on anyway, and I just wanted to, you know, see how it would look on me, and I like it. So I hope you guys like it too. And shout out to all my new subbies. I see y'all. Welcome to the family. Welcome to the Beauty by Brit gang. I hope you're here to stay. Make sure you turn on your post notifications. And to all my old subbies, I miss you guys. I'm back, and I plan to be more consistent. Yeah, so yeah. In this video, I'm not really going to be talking too much. I'm barely talking. I'm just showing y'all what I'm doing. And I hope you guys can follow along. Let me know if you like this style of video. I just wanted y'all to like enjoy the look and enjoy how everything came together without really much, you know, like pushing products. 'Cause I don't want to just push products. But yeah. And everything I use, I really truly love. I just love everything I use today. So, and my lashes, they're going to be a secret for a while, but I'll let y'all know. If you really like them, I'll let y'all know, okay? So without further ado, let's get into this video, and I'll see y'all in 2.2 seconds. Don't forget to like this video, share, and I'll see y'all in a bit. So we're gonna take our lip mask from LANIEGE and just apply that on our lips. And before I start my makeup, I love to vibe out to some good music. So I'm listening to Roddy Ricch right now, and I'm just like listening to my whole playlist, and I'm just like vibing. I'm taking my, what am I taking? I'm taking my PLOUISE eye base makeup and just applying my shadows from the BH Cosmetics ZODIAC palette. And I'm taking that mustard color as well as like that brick orangey red color. And I'm just going to apply that on my transition and my crease and buff and blend that out to my satisfaction. And you guys know the rest. Just keep on watching. I'm also going to be using some Jackie Aina. I'm going to take credit. I'm going to put that on my outer V portion. And we're just going to darken it up a little bit. Just add some definition and dimension. And we're also going to be cutting our crease with the PLOUISE, setting the PLOUISE base too as well. Taking the Morphe setting spray to just wet my brush and taking ZAM and applying that on my lid. I'm also going to be taking BH Cosmetics Aries and Gemini to just lightly dusting that on top of that ZAM color for some pink effect, because it is Valentine's Day, or it's going to be Valentine's Day, and I just want to incorporate pink into the look a little bit. We're also going to be taking Makeup Revolution's glitter. I don't know the name, but I'll put it in the description just for some glitter. And we're taking credit once again and taking that to the lower lash line. I applied my lashes off camera. I also did my foundation, my contour, and my highlight off camera too as well. And I'm just taking IPANEMA Sun from BECCA Cosmetics, and we're just bronzing up the face at this moment. I love this look, y'all. I was really vibing, doing my thing. I'm taking OFRA's banana powder, and I'm just gonna apply that to my under eye and brighten up my cheek a bit, give you that snatched effect that we all want. Taking Morphe and just gonna set my face with that. We're taking Tarte's blush. I'm not gonna give you all the name because I don't know, and I'll list it in the description too as well. But any blush will do for you. Any blush will do well. And I'm taking my beauty blender and I'm just making sure that everything is just like melting really well into the skin, blending away any harsh lines and just making sure it looks good and seamless. I didn't like the highlighter, so you'll see me change to another highlighter in a minute. It's Marc Jacobs GILTY. This one wasn't just showing up as pigmented as I wanted, and I just didn't want to deal with it anymore. Y'all know the vibes. And my lace is sitting out. I only used Got2b, and I'm super proud. Like Got2b freezing spray, and I loved how my lace turned out. And I don't even have a stocking cap underneath. I'm shook. This hair's from Melissa, by the way, and my hair's not done. We're gonna get to that in a little bit. Let's just apply our lip products. I'm using Truffle from Dose of Colors. It's her matte lipstick, and then I'm gonna be taking the glossy lipstick on top to get that perfect pink pout. And this is one of my fave combos at the moment right now. The color is so pigmented, it works well with your skin. I'm gonna have a full review and demo of the full set in a bit in another video. Y'all know makeup is my thing. I love when a look comes together, and my look is complete. I'm so happy, but let's get this hair situation figured out. I wonder what I'm gonna do. We're gonna put some bumps. We're gonna flip our hair. We're gonna use our flat iron. I'm using Babyliss Pro. It's their flat iron, and I think the size is like 1.5, and I love it. I really do love it. It works like magic. So just bump or flip the ends to how you see fit. And I'm also going to be tucking my front part of my hair underneath. I'll show y'all what I'm talking about, and just watch the video. If you have any questions, just let me know, but I feel like it's easier to watch than explain. All you really need is the flat iron, your wax stick, your hot comb, and a bobby pin, and this look is really easy. I really wanted a quick look. I didn't want to spend like 40 minutes doing this look, and this look legit took me like 10-15 minutes and I was done. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what your thoughts are, and I'll talk to y'all next time. Bye. Oh my god, y'all. Cam just dropped this picture and I am gagging. Like, drag me, sis. Like, it's because she ran away. I definitely see it, but oh my god, who did her makeup here. Oh, look at this. Oops. Okay, I can't even get my life together. Anyway, oh yes, do y'all see that? Do y'all see it? And my phone is not cracked, my screen protector's cracked. But, oh, I stand. This is beyond me. Oh my God. She looks so good. What the? Okay. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what your thoughts are. If you guys want to hear me talk some more in my next video, let me know. I already have some videos where I'm talking. This one was just super easy to film because I didn't have to talk too much. Just showed y'all the products. You know, whatever you have at home, you can feel free to use that, substitute anything, and you know, just have fun with it. It's Valentine's Day. It's a day of love. You know, get your little gifts and give gifts and just, you know, feel appreciated and everything. So yeah, for Valentine's Day I'll be moving in. So but I plan to do something different. I plan to do something afterwards or a couple days after it. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know what your thoughts are. Have a blessed day and have a wonderful Valentine's Day. I love you all, and I'll talk to y'all next time.